Hello my dear students, this is first lecture of chemistry, that is acid, basis and salts. ये लेसन में हम एसिड, बेसिस और साल्ट्स के प्रॉपर्टीज देखेंगे और एसिड एंड बेसिस का रिएक्शन देखेंगे, हाउ एसिड इज गोइंग टू रिएक्ट विथ बेस एंड आल्सो विथ मेटल हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट एंड मेटल कार्बोनेट. ओके, so the definition for acid is the molecule or the species which is having a tendency to donate proton or accept the electron is known as acid. Okay, so some properties of acids that are, the acid is going to produce H plus ions in water, and acid can turn blue litmus paper into red, and acid is a sour in taste, and acid can corrode the metal very easily. So the properties are, the first one, so these are the some properties of acids. That first one is, acids produce H plus ions in water, that is whenever we are going to dissolve acid in the water, it is going to produce H plus ions in the water, and acid is usually sour in taste. Okay, in our daily life we have came across many acids, that is such as tartaric acid, citric acid and the lactic acid present in the milk. These all are sour in taste, and acid is having a capacity to convert blue litmus paper into red. That is, when a litmus paper, that is colored blue colored litmus paper, is added in a test tube containing acid, it is going to change its color into red. And last one is that acid is having a tendency to corrode metal surfaces easily. Whenever acid comes in contact with the metal surface, it is going to corrode, means corrosion of that metal takes place. For this reason, always the acid is stored in a plastic containers. Okay, and then comes the base. Let's discuss about the base. The properties of base is, produce OH minus ions. Produce OH minus ions in water. Some bitter in taste. Next one is convert to blue. Okay, these are the properties of base. That first one is, bases are going to produce OH minus hydroxyl ions in water, and the next one is, bases usually bitter in taste, and then the basis is having a tendency to convert red litmus paper into blue, and the last one is, the bases are slippery to touch. Whenever we touch a base, we will feel like a slippery touch. That example, soap, it is having a slippery touch. And examples of acids are, some common examples I will give, that is hydrochloric acid HCl, formic acid HCOOH, formic acid. And examples for base, NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide, KOH, that is potassium hydroxide. This is about the properties of acids and bases.